Good morning, Wasatch High students. This is Mr. Kelly. We're going to talk about Excel time, which is something important to us as an administration, and I believe it's important to you because we sent out surveys last spring, and this is something you guys wanted to help you in your academic endeavors. Excel time is a way for us to get you guys caught up on your essential skills and standards that your teachers have set forth for you. Some of you may remember it as tutorial, but it's not tutorial, it's Excel time. We will have a mock trial, if you will, February 22nd. Our official date of starting this will be the week of March 1st. At the end of February, March 1st, you'll be able to sign up for classes. Your teachers will be able to call you for classes once a month. You will be able to meet with your clubs, but this is academic time. It's 27 minutes, 2 days a week, Wednesdays and Thursdays. So our schedule will look a little different than it does right now. Wednesdays and Thursdays, class time will be 71 minutes. We will have Excel time for 27 minutes in between first and third period. So make sure you're going to it, checking it, because we will be taking attendance. Our goal is to help you guys be better prepared academically. Go Wasatch, you're awesome, and watch this video about how to log on to Rti Scheduler following me. Have a great day.
Hey WASPs, this is Mrs. Haywood from the library, and I'm just going to take a quick minute to walk you through our new Excel time system and how students can sign up for a session or see which sessions a teacher has assigned them to. This is our new system. This is how we'll do all of our signing up. It's called Rti Scheduler. You can access the system by either going directly to rtischeduler.com and logging in with your Microsoft credentials. The site is linked on our school's homepage for easy access. Or even easier, and the way I'm going to show you today and the way that we're recommending, you can just log into your student email and look for the RTI scheduling email. It'll look just like this. It'll come from Rti Scheduler as the center, and specifically in my subject line, it's telling me that I can choose my sessions for the week. Our new Excel time program will run on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Every Monday at 4 p.m., a scheduling email will be sent out to all students. You're welcome to look at that email on Mondays, or you can just wait for your third period class on Tuesday to look at it, because that class will have built-in time and that teacher is planning to assist you with signing up. But because you're already logged into your email, you'll automatically be logged into the Rti Scheduler program when you simply click on the link. So just like our previous intervention programs and like the intervention programs that run at the two middle schools, teachers can assign students to specific sessions, and students that aren't assigned can just sign themselves up. Your weekly scheduling email will let you know what you need to do, and then you'll be able to see if you have an assignment. This is what your weekly email will look like. It's coming from the Rti Scheduler. You'll simply open the email and you'll see if you've been assigned or if you have the option to select your own session or sessions. For this example, I've been assigned on Wednesday. If I read right here, it tells me that I've already been enrolled for the Wednesday session. But for Thursday, I can see that I wasn't assigned anywhere. No teacher has selected or pre-assigned me, so I have the option to choose my own session. I'll just click on choose a session, which will automatically open the Rti Scheduler program. From here, I'm scrolling through to decide which session seems best for me this week. Anything that says restricted, right? Note this at the top. Anything that has the word restricted has a special requirement, so it's not necessarily open to all students. Whenever you see restricted, make sure that you click into that course to see the specific restriction that is assigned, right? Restrictions could be for certain class periods, or maybe a teacher is saying this is restricted for just students working on a specific assignment. Or it could even just be for students enrolled in a specific course, but make sure you pay attention to that. And beyond that, anything you see is something you can sign up for. We will still have closed sessions like we have in the past. Those are the sessions that teachers create where they assign students. However, closed sessions are not something that other students can see. So anything listed here is an open session, and I'm simply paying attention to that word restricted and noting if the restrictions prevent me from signing up for that class or not. Also, I can use this search bar at the top of the screen to filter classes and make it easier to find things. I could search for specific teachers, right? If there was a specific teacher or topic that I was potentially interested in. I could even search for a specific type of class. So for instance, a study hall, right? I can use the filter menu however I want, or I can simply scroll, right? But once you find exactly what you're looking for, you're simply just going to click onto the class and then select the button that says choose this session. For this example, I remember I was selected by a teacher and assigned on my Wednesday Excel time, and then on my Thursday was where I was choosing. But if I hadn't been assigned by a teacher on either day, I would simply repeat that same process to make sure that I've signed up for a class on both days. Now remember, RTI emails are important. The RTI email that allows students to choose sessions will go out on Mondays at 4. And remember, you can choose to look at it then or wait until your third period on Tuesday. That's this email that I've been referencing. Students will be able to choose a session and register themselves anytime after the email comes out Monday afternoons. But know that at 1 o'clock on Tuesdays, the system will lock. Any student that didn't sign up on their own will be assigned. The school will choose a session for them. And then a final email will be sent out on Tuesdays after school that shows your finalized sessions for the week. That email looks like this. The subject starts with your RTI sessions, right? And then notes the specific days of the week. Note that I'm able to now see my 2 sessions along with their room numbers and details. I've got all the information I need to make sure that I'm on time to my Excel time class on both Wednesday and Thursday. And that's that, WASPs. This is a new system, and it may take a minute to get used to, but know that you can reach out to any of your teachers or stop by the library anytime if you have questions or need assistance. We are happy to help.
I'll see you at Excel time.
See you at Excel time. See you at Excel time.
I'll see you at Excel time.